Still camping like it's 1995? Level up. This is the Sandpiper 3900 HBLR. It's like a tiny mansion on wheels. My name's Jeremy. I'm here at Motor Sportsland. Let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look at this huge pass-through storage here. You have your little mini fridge for all your drinks for outside, mixers, whatever you'd like. You have your gas griddle cooktop, 18-inch that goes on the back where the LP Quick Connect is. Your battery disconnects in here. Look at all of that space. There's so much storage in there. As we come around here, you got your 2 propane tanks on this one side, which is great for keeping the furnace going, keeping the gas grill going. All right, as we come around here, you got this nice, big, beautiful front fiberglass cap, LED lights. You have your side markers that are prepped for cameras. If you wanted to ever install the side cameras, you can. So here's your water system. You have the plug where your hose comes up through, so it's not on the outside of the trailer. Plugs in here. You have all your different dry camping, winterize, city water, power fill, and siphon that when you hook up, you just adjust the dials, and then that's how it'll go. You have your black and your gray tank flush there. Your water filter. Right here you got your tankless water heater, which gives you instant hot water and constant hot water. The other side of the pass-through storage with your auto level right here on the wall, and you have your solar controller up here. Your bed slide. There's your tank flush, that's the outlet. You got your really nice big slide for the living area right here. You got your power, 50 amp service. This is where your gas cooktop grill goes. You have your LP Quick Connect just on the other side of this where the slide is. Then we're going back into the front here, and you have these 2 great big beautiful awnings with the LED light strips. You know, you spend a lot of time out here when you're camping, so it's nice to have all of this space for when you're covered. So when you're out in the sun and you're out camping, this is your living area as well. And they did it right. They put the slide or the awning on the slide, so that makes it extend even further. Now let's go inside and take a look. Look how gorgeous this inside is in this Sandpiper. I mean, it's literally like a little house. You got all this drawer storage. You have more drawers, nice big L-shaped couch. This does pull out into a Murphy bed, so you have this whole area. You have the fireplace, the lights just for the aesthetics, or you can do the heat, which would produce tons of heat for even this big area here. You have your JBL radio, more drawer storage, soft close on all the drawers, huge 65-inch TV. You have a nice big hidden swing door pantry. Here we are in this great big beautiful kitchen. You have the nice coriander countertop, solid surface, really nice for if there's any spills or anything, easy to clean up. You have the 3-burner cooktop stove. You have your nice big oven here. It's actually a really good size compared to some of the others that are in RVs. You have a convection microwave, does the air fry, does the baking, does the regular microwave. On all the storage, you have tons of storage, all the drawers, again, soft close, they just close. Just Tons and tons of storage here. Nice Everchill refrigerator, 12-volt residential, I believe. You have a huge lit up pantry. Look at this thing. It's what every mama wants when they go camping. They want tons of food and storage. Nice big deep sink with the residential faucet. This thing is absolutely just gorgeous. Okay, right here in the hallway, you have all of your controls. So you have your heated tank pads, you have the water pump, you have all the ceiling and lights and the porch lights, the awning, all of the slides, everything that's in here. This one does have a solar package on it, 200 watts solar. Has 2 dual 15K AC air conditioners. Right in here is where your mid laundry room is with the bathroom. So your nice big medicine cabinet, drawers are really big and deep. So nice ceramic toilet so that you can use all your household cleaning products. No worry that you have to worry about the plastic. Huge window by the door and super nice. As we come up into the bedroom, you'll notice that you're on a king bed. You have tons of storage on the side, a little bit of storage on this side, but also tons of drawers underneath the bed storage, like always. You have the barn style door that closes up as you come into the master bathroom. And this thing has his and her sinks, LED backlit mirror, huge shower. Again, just amazing, beautiful unit. Walk-in closet, just humongous walk-in closet for a trailer, and it is gorgeous. You have hanging rods, you have all the storage bins. It's just really nice. So that concludes the Sandpiper. My name is Jeremy. Come down and see me at Motor Sportsland. Current pricing is online.